In sculpture creation, every detail needs to be precisely handled. So staying focused at all times is a must for me. It's so nice to have a partner who can keep an eye on the site while we're out. Solar Camera is that partner for me. No cables, flexible installation, goodbye to troublesome work. Give my creation 24/7 guarding. Easy and stable remote protection, always guaranteeing the safety of the site. Able to stay up and keep guarding the work at all times. The uninterrupted protection allows me to carry out my creations with confidence and it gives me total peace of mind.